Hello, my name is David Medellin. In this activity, I choose the question number one, or script number one. And the question is, how did you hear about the position open with our company here? When I heard about the opportunity of changing location and moving from one physical location to another. I thought about making a career moving as well, and I was started with my main interest and passion, and I love being outside and love doing outdoors activities, and I love working with people. When I was looking online, I found this website, and there were positions available in the city area, so I don't would apply.